Hello friends, welcome back to Arcade Codemaster. Today, I will share the top 5 AI tools to earn money online in 2025. These methods are real, trusted, and beginner-friendly. So, stay till the end. Let's get started. Imagine this. You are sitting at home, sipping chai, and your laptop is open. Within a few clicks, you create something simple, and a client pays you real money for it. Sounds like a dream? Not anymore. Because in 2025, artificial intelligence is making this dream possible. Today, I will share 5 powerful AI tools that anyone can use to start earning online. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius. Let's begin. First in our list is ChatGPT. Think of it like a personal assistant who works 24/7. Students use it for homework. Writers use it for blogs. Freelancers use it to create resumes, LinkedIn bios, or even small coding projects. Here's how you can earn. Go to freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Offer services like blog writing, script writing, or coding help. Behind the scenes, ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. You deliver the result, and you get paid. Second is Canva AI. Earlier, creating a logo or poster took hours of design skills. Now, it takes minutes. Imagine a small business owner who needs a YouTube thumbnail or an Instagram ad. They don't have time. They don't know design. That's where you step in. Use Canva AI to design in minutes. Send it to the client and charge for it. Simple, fast, and highly in demand. Third is Copy AI and WriteSonic. These tools are like professional copywriters. They write catchy headlines, add copies, and product descriptions. Picture this. An e-commerce store is selling t-shirts. They need hundreds of product descriptions. You don't sit and write each one. You let AI generate them in seconds. The client is happy. You save time. And you make money. Fourth is Leonardo AI and MidJourney. Close your eyes and imagine. A futuristic city, a fantasy dragon, or a unique game character. These tools can bring such imagination to life. Here's the earning part. Sell AI-generated art on Etsy, as digital wallpapers, or as stock photos. Gamers, YouTubers, and designers are always searching for unique visuals. You provide it. They pay you. Fifth is Notion AI. This tool is not flashy, but extremely powerful. It helps people stay organized. You can create planning dashboards, study notes, or project trackers. Now imagine offering this service to startups, students, or busy professionals. You set up their Notion workspace using Notion AI. They save time. You earn money. Now here's a bonus trick. Most of these AI tools have affiliate programs. That means, if someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No extra work. Just share links on YouTube, Instagram, or blogs. It's like earning while you sleep. So friends, these were the top 5 AI tools to earn money online in 2025. From writing and designing to creating art and organizing work, AI is your partner in success. The only question is, will you just watch others earn? Or will you start your journey today? Tell me in the comments. Which tool excited you the most? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real earning methods. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and keep earning.